How to log into TT Rockstars student account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch any of the browser. Here we go. Now type in TT Rockstars login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one, open it. With that, you will land to the login page of TT Rockstars. Now select the option of school. Click on the option student. First, you have to type in school name or postcode. After you select this school, you will land to this kind of page. Now over here, you have to type in the username. And then you can select whether you want to use password or PIN to log into your account. I'm gonna select password. After you fill these, you can click on the option of login, and with that you will be logged into TT Rockstar student account. So this was all for this video. This is how you can easily log into TT Rockstar student account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.